Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying requirements. Confirm both devices support eSIM and your carrier permits transfers. Once done, update both phones to the latest OS so transfer protocols match. Make sure to back up the current eSIM profile, screenshots of activation codes, and any carrier app data. This avoids lockout. Now open the source phone's cellular settings and locate the eSIM transfer or export option, because you'll start the actual data move from the source device next. You now execute the transfer. Choose device-to-device transfer if available, or request a carrier QR code or activation code. Once selected, keep Wi-Fi on and both phones within a few feet to maintain a stable connection. When pairing codes appear, compare them and confirm on both devices. This proves identity and prevents accidental overwrites. If the carrier app prompts for credentials, enter them precisely. After successful validation, wait for the eSIM to download and show active status before proceeding. Finish by verifying the new device shows cellular service. Make a test call and use mobile data to ensure full activation. Once confirmed, remove the eSIM profile from the old device to prevent conflicts. If activation fails, try simple fixes first. Toggle airplane mode, restart both phones, and ensure date/time are automatic. These steps resolve many handshake issues. If problems persist, capture error messages and contact your carrier with screenshots. They can push a provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.